You hop in the car, turn the key, click, dead battery. Today I'm breaking down the best portable jump starters, what actually matters, and how to pick the right one in 2 minutes. A good jump starter does 3 things: fires up your car fast, keeps you safe, doubles as backup power for your phone or laptop. Now, compare. Specs you'll see everywhere. Peak amps, higher is better for bigger engines. Think trucks and SUVs. Capacity, more mAh means more jumps and charging. Clamps, look for solid, spark-proof clamps with reverse polarity protection. Extras, USB-C PD for fast charging, built-in flashlight, air compressor if you want to do-it-all brick. From testing and buyer feedback, 3 categories stand out. Best overall. Compact lithium, around 1000 peak amps. Rugged case, smart clamps. It'll handle most sedans and small SUVs and slides in your glove box. Best budget. Fewer bells and whistles but reliable starts for small to mid-size cars. If you just want emergency peace of mind, this hits. Best heavy duty, higher peak amps, beefier clamps and a bigger battery. If you've got a truck, V6 V8, or live in cold climates, this is the move. Picking is simple. Drive a compact or mid-size sedan. Grab the best overall style, small, safe, USB-C. Tight budget or rarely needed. The budget pick saves cash and still starts the car. Truck, SUV, or winter warrior. Go heavy duty and don't think twice. Pro tips. Charge it every 3 to 6 months. Store it inside the car, not the trunk in winter. Test it once so you know the clamps and cable reach. Dead battery? Not your problem anymore. Throw one of these in your glove box and keep moving. Done.